Welcome to Divine Beautiful Petals.
These are the tumbles which I'll use to balance the chakras. Okay. We need to place them on each chakras, starting with the crown chakra. This is a clear quartz. As I'll not be able to place it on the chakra, so we will just keep it near the crown chakra. Okay. I'll use an amethyst for the third eye chakra. You can place it here. Blue lapis for the throat chakra. I have used this blanket so that the crystals are clear and you can see that I'm placing, you can see where I am placing them. Okay. This is the green aventurine for balancing the heart chakra, which is at the center of the chest. Yellow aventurine for the Manipur chakra. Okay. Just above the 2 inch above the navel. We'll use the carnelian and we'll place it 2 inch below the navel. Okay, and the carnelian is for the sacral chakra. This is red jasper. Okay, we'll place it the root chakra. Okay, or else you can place it in between the thighs. This is one way to balance the chakra. You can make the person lie down for 15 to 20 minutes or till the time the person wants to lie down, right? One more way to balance the chakra is by placing the tumbles on each chakra and then using a wand to activate them. Okay, this is a selenite wand. You can use either a selenite wand or a clear quartz. Here I will use a selenite wand. Before you place the crystals, you need to clean them, program them. Okay? Here I am using the selenite wand. Before using it, I will program it by putting this on my third eye and requesting it and thanking it to heal the 7th chakra of the person. You can name the person as well, right? Let's start. We'll start with the crown chakra. You can just hold the selenite wand on top of the crystal and visualize a white light getting into the crown chakra and healing the crown chakra. You can keep it there for some time or till the time you feel. Just follow your intuition. Then move the wand to the third eye chakra. Visualize a white light from the universe coming through your crown chakra and then coming out of your palm through the selenite wand and getting into the crystal amethyst and healing and balancing the third eye chakra. You can use affirmations or mantras. Just visualize that the third eye chakra is getting balanced and all problems related to the third eye chakra is getting healed. Move to the throat chakra and do the same process. Just visualize the light getting out of the wand and getting into the body with the help of the crystal and healing the throat chakra. Move to the next chakra, that is the heart chakra. Visualize the light getting into the crystal and then healing the heart chakra and removing all the blockages related to the heart chakra. Similar way, just move to the next. This is the yellow aventurine and it will balance the Manipur chakra. Visualize the light getting into the Manipur chakra and balancing the Manipur chakra, and all problems related to the Manipur chakra is getting healed. You just need to visualize and give affirmations. Use mantras, any mantra which you know. Move to the next chakra. Hold the wand and visualize the light getting into the chakra, the sacral chakra, and healing the healing and balancing the sacral chakra. Move to the next chakra, that is the root chakra. And in the similar way, visualize a white light from the universe coming through your crown chakra and then moving inside, coming out of your hand and getting into the wand. And then from the wand, it is getting inside the crystal here, that is a red jasper, and healing the root chakra and balancing the root chakra. And all problems related to the root chakra is getting healed. This is the way you will heal and balance the 7 chakras of the body. One more way I will tell you how to balance the chakra. Just place the crystals and then program your wand to heal the person. And just move the wand in this way. You can use mantras. You can use Gayatri mantra, or you can just chant Om. You can move the wand 7 times or 11 times or 21 times, or till the time you feel that the person needs time to get healed. Okay, move the wand clockwise and clear all the negative energy, and just visualize that the chakras are getting balanced. These are the methods to balance the chakras. You can use any one of them to balance the chakras, or if you want to use all, you can. It's all up to you. Just follow your intuition, follow your heart. There is no wrong way. You can just place the crystal and lie down. That will also heal or balance the chakras. If you are doing it to yourself, just request someone to place the crystals on you and just lie down. You can do the same process before sleeping, and sleep. If the crystals fall off, no problem. It won't harm you. Just feel the vibration. Just feel the crystals. Just visualize that the crystals are healing all the chakras and balancing all the chakras.
Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.